Today we had to dig our way
into the goal.
up to the unit. Good morning, sunshines. Don't know what that man was listening to. We have another case here. I don't know what kind of AirPods these are. Some Vivitar pods. Oof, don't know about that. Got the coloring book, Bible edition. Oh, man. What in the hell?
God is watching and judging everything you're doing.
Got a trimmer here. Another book. Another fat shoe. Hey bro, what size is this man wear? These Goofy decided to wear some Crocs
normal
and no jacket.
I have a jacket.
So well, you got a Nike zip
Hey,
up.
this keep me warm. Now, my feet is more cold than the end. I don't know what the hell I'm going on.
Look at that. That is
Ew, girl. Ew.
crazy. I don't. The camera doesn't even do it justice how crazy that looks.